know, today we're gonna go over how to draw two llamas, you know, in love. So it's gonna be fun, easy for beginners. So let's get started, okay? It's gonna be a short lesson, by the way, too. So remember that. So it's gonna be kind of a mirror image of two llamas, like right there in love. So let's do that. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line over here for the front of one llama's like face. Gonna go and I'm gonna pull this back just a bit, and I'm gonna right here I'm gonna start drawing this bubble shape. It's gonna be just kind of like the fuzziness of the llama. Out over here, curve in here, right on here, line, pull underneath, curve under here. Okay, so now you get the llama's face facing that direction. Here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw this closed eye right here. It's just kind of like a slight U shape. And then now I'm gonna continue with the back of the llama's head, going down its relatively long neck, right? Same thing over here, going down the chest, just kind of this bubble shape. Okay. Now I'm going to find the back of the llama. Same thing, keeping this bubble pattern, right, as we go down there. Over here, going to find his rear, pulling down there. Curve over here. By the way, if you already like this kind of stuff, if you think this is already looking kind of cute, go download the Cute Drawing ebook. It's completely free. It's go down to the link in the description. I'll put it in there. And basically what it is I give you an ebook. It's only like 10 pages, and it shows you how to cutify something. So it's not just drawing a big head or something like that. It is the proportions. So like if it's a face, it'll be like shrinking the nose while making the eyes bigger. It's proportions to each other, and it's kind of a complicated thing to talk about, but it's unbelievably easy to go over visually, and that's kind of what I'm going to do, or that's what I already did. I put that in a free 10-page ebook. Once you see that, boom, you'll get it. It's like I put like a visual graph in there, so it'll be simple. So go check that out. If you want to learn how to draw cuter or quicker, go check that out in that link. I'm going to go right here now, and I'm going to pull downward. Over here, down over here, curve in for the foot. Out over here for the front foot right there, just kind of like an L shape. Pulling in here, curve right there. Gonna go to the hind leg over here, pulling up. Then the other hind leg over here. Bit of a tail as well on the back, so another kind of poofy tail. Curve. Line over here. Alright, cool. Now that's one llama. Let's go over here and draw the other one, which is essentially the mirror version of it, or you can kind of make it different. Like if you don't want it to be a completely mirror image, you could make them a little shorter right here or something like that. But for now, I'm gonna more or less just kind of make it close, right? I'm not a machine, so there are gonna be inherent differences anyway when you do that. So curve out here for the mouth, line over here for top of the llama's head. See, it's already kind of bulkier in the head there. I'm gonna put his ear down here this time. The ear's going down. So I'm changing some things about it. Find that texture right there. Curving in. Going down. And over here, curve downward for kind of that same slope of the body. Kinda. It's a little different. But generally, I'm finding the underbody now. Going over here. Keeping in line with that long neck, and then you have like a larger kind of body here. So I'm making this one a little bit rounder. Do you notice that? This was a little bit more round overall, and this was a little bit more square. Just give it some, excuse me, some variety. Don't forget to hit that like, by the way, if you like these kind of tutorials, because likes actually help out with the channel a lot. Curve right here for the eye. Line right here for the nose. Line down over here as well. I'm going to set the same leg position with the curve of the line right here, but this is not going to be sticking out as much as that. Line down, curve up, down over here, curve back, line over here, curve back, and then we're going to go over here and draw the actual tail on him. Alright, there you go. And after this, what you can do is actually color them, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to throw, just to make it over the top obvious, a heart. Right there. And I mean over the top. I'm going to color it red. Right there. Color it red. It's just to make it really over the top. Like this is obvious. Hopefully you guys are doing great. I don't know how you guys' progress in art is going. I hope it's going amazing. We got a store now. We have a merch store. Go check that out at sketchingeasy.com. So check out that store over there. But if you want to do one last thing to this, you can probably give it a very light tone of color, and we can go over the top with that. I can do like a pink and a light blue. Where's a light blue? Am I going to color it? You know what? I'm not going to color it. I'm just going to keep it like that. That works, I think. But I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing on this channel. I wouldn't be here without any of you. Everybody's been so supportive and fun and exciting. And what I want you to do is I want you to guys is to say hi to me in the comments. And also request something. Like, is there something else you want to see in the channel? I'll make it happen. And I will totally do it, okay? So please reach out. I'm very easy to reach. I reply to everything. And that is it, okay? There's more to come. I'm going to throw in a lot of new stuff on the channel soon, so watch out for that. And go check out the official website at sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson over there. Talk to you in the next video. See ya.